Alrighty, so we have our first package. This is a meow lamp. This is like a nail lamp. So this is gonna help me do my nails. Hold on. Move my hair out the way. And I got it in pink because that's like a super cute color that I love. Okay. This is how it looks. So this is a little LED lamp. And you just put your fingers. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a candle lighter. This is a pink candle lighter. I actually already have a black candle lighter, but I keep that upstairs. Like, I don't have one for the beauty room. Now, on our next little package here. Oh, let me slide this open. This is also in pink, which is super cute. Let me show y'all. I guess it's digital. It's a digital labeler, so I have to charge it and see does it actually work. I'm tempted to open this because, like, I don't know, I low-key like taking things apart, so I'm not gonna touch this part. I feel like that can open up, but I'm not gonna touch it. You can probably open that part up to like replace it, the printer paper or something. But anyways, I'll look at that a little bit later. So this is just like a very basic pink mat where I could just roll my mouse on and put my keyboard on top of. I needed to get this very badly, so that's good that I got this out the way. The lights are giving me a headache, low key. All right, now we're on our next package. I'm scared for this stuff to fall off this little table. So we have these bins. What y'all think about that? We finna get organized today. Okay. Oh, I forgot that I got these. I really been wanting these, but every time I go to like Marshall's, I talk myself out of buying them. So I ordered these off of Amazon as well. These are gonna be kind of hung up. Sorry, put together. They're like acrylic shelves. So I got these too because I see these everywhere. I'm really getting sick of seeing them, so I've been influenced, okay? I've been influenced. Okay, I got this for my bed. So this is like a whiteboard thing. Oh, it comes with markers. This is so cute. It comes with some markers, and it comes with this cute little eraser thing. It's in the shape of a hexagon, I guess. This is so cute. It's like glass. I hope I don't break it. Now, let's open this up. Well, actually, let's not. Actually, let's not open this up. I'm gonna wait till my husband put this together for me. He should have been put it together, but I'm on his time. It's just a little clothing rack. I'm gonna hang all my dresses on this clothing rack because every time I'm getting ready, every time it's about to be a date night, I don't know where none of my dresses are. Side open. Okay, there we go. Things in there. This one, let me see. Oh, I had to get a new nail lamp. I don't know why I got it by I think I got it by the same brand. I just did it because I need another one. The other lamp lasted me for 5 years, I want to say. So I gave that one the benefit of the doubt. It's on my channel. I did a video on it. I think it's the same brand, but it gave out on me. So I bought a new brand because it was Amazon Prime. And I wanted this one because it was $19. Like, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. That's why I got it. Yeah, that's why I got it. So I buy my stuff with my own money. And then I bought me this nail duster. And I don't know why is it showing me this white nail duster, because I put that on everything I love. I ordered a pink nail duster. So let me open this up and see if it's pink. Because it better not be white. I promise. I promise it better not be white. How do you open this anyways? Let me see. They always making stuff hard for you to get to. I don't know why they do that. Oh my god. I promise I do not have time for this. Okay, it's pink. Okay, now look. This here is where I'm gonna put my hair tools. I actually need to get some new hair tools, but I figured I'll get this first so that way I can have somewhere to put the hair tools. I ain't got nowhere to put my old ones. They end up everywhere. They be in drawers, bags, random places. So I figured I'll get something to store all of my hair tools. But I also wanted to wait till it went on sale, because I wasn't paying no $30 for this. You know, just a bin and some metal cups. I did not know this was a separate piece. So you gotta screw it on there. Okay. I guess they really could have just kept this together. So it'll go like this. So then I'm gonna put the hair tools in here, and then maybe some hair stuff, and I'm gonna set it inside of my vanity. But I'm not gonna turn this camera around so y'all can see my vanity. My vanity is like all messy and stuff. So